In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Minecraft app to another phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do this is first open up the Play Store. Log into the Google account that you bought Minecraft Pocket Edition, and after you log in, you will just be able to click your icon at the top right corner of the screen, select Manage Apps and Devices, and from here, at the Manage tab, you can just look for Minecraft again, and everything will be synchronized. As long as you bought Minecraft on this Google account, you will just be able to download it once again. The same idea applies for iOS. As long as you buy Minecraft and log into the same account again, Minecraft will be available for you to download in another phone. However, if you want to share the Minecraft world from the old phone, all you have to do is open up the File Explorer on the phone that has the world, and in here, go to the main storage, Android, Data, scroll down until you find com.mojang, and within com.mojang, go into Files, Games, com.mojang again, and Minecraft Worlds. In here, you can find all the worlds that you have on your old phone, and you can just copy these files over to the new one and paste them at this exact folder. I hope I was able to help you on how to share a Minecraft app to another phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.